Today is Eid Al-Fitr. It's an Islamic holiday that marks the end of Ramadan. To celebrate our month of fasting, we get together at our local mosque to pray, feast with friends, and then enjoy the rest of the day having fun with family. This year, my brother and I decided to take a road trip to Tennessee. See, Tennessee is only about 4 hours away from where we live. On the way, we found some pretty cool stuff. We found one of the best rest stops ever. There's a freaking lake over there. We're in a town called Metropolis. Oh my god, we're actually in Kentucky. Did you even know we were gonna go to Kentucky? We're in Kentucky. He's like, that's the most enthusiastic anyone has ever been to go to Kentucky. No, I didn't realize that we were gonna pass through Kentucky. That's another state. We've already been here too, but that's cool. Tennessee! Really? It's not gonna pop up on my phone? Tell me I'm in Tennessee. We've made it to Tennessee. We are now only 47 minutes away from our destination. Made it to Nashville. That over there is downtown Nashville. We just found an incredible view to watch the sunset tonight. The place is called Love Circle. It's kind of hard to get to, it's a little confusing, but beautiful view of the city and the sunset behind me. Finally arrived at our destination. We're at our hotel, so we're gonna go check in. I think we're both pretty exhausted. Doesn't it feel very like futuristic? This is a nice room. I'm pumped about this. Let's take a tour of the hotel room. I am totally exhausted. I'm ready to go to sleep, but we're starving, so time to get food first. Seriously though, look how big this menu is. This is insane. This alone is just the cheesecake options. Okay, now I'm officially completely exhausted. We got cheesecake to go because we're just so ready to go back to the hotel. It's a mall cop and he's on a friggin' Segway. He's on a Segway! I just realized I've gone this entire video without explaining why I'm in Tennessee. Honestly, because I can be. That's literally the only reason why we're here. It's the Eid weekend and we thought we'd go out of town. Just try something fun. So we're staying in a hotel tonight, an Airbnb tomorrow, and we're gonna go check out Lookout Mountain in Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is supposed to be amazing. Just kind of chill, spend some time away from everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow.